And now we have a working parallel fan and lamp. Let's get building. First, we need to load our battery pack with our spring against the negative and placed on B6. Give a space for our parallel circuit. Parallel looks like railroad tracks, right? So let us put some threes here. 3, 3 in parallel, and this 3 parallel to our slide switch. Open and close our circuit. And then we'll put our lamp here so our electricity can flow. It works. And next to it, we can put a motor and turn it on. Now, we have our motor and we have our lamp in parallel. We can switch it off, open the circuit and close the circuit to make the electricity flow through. If we want a fun game, we can turn our fan around. The DC motor runs in reverse. If we put the plus symbol, the positive, on the other side. And if it builds up enough speed, oh, it will fly off. I caught it this time. It's a really fun game, like a leaf falling game. So there you have it, friends. Your slide switch, your lamp, and your fan, where the lamp and fan are in parallel. Now remember to get your grown-up to print off the activity magazine that's below in the link, and I will see you next time to build more circuits. Snap circuits with Dr. Drew. Dr. Drew. Dr. Drew. See you next time.